Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and I absolutely love this sweater from QUALFORT. The knit to me is just perfect. It's tight enough to still keep me warm, yet loose enough to be cozy and flexible. And the color is just gorgeous. I have not worn this once where I have not gotten multiple compliments, and that's saying a lot because I wear this sweater all the time. I love that I can dress it up with a nice outfit or dress it down with just a white tee and some jeans. And it's such a beautiful pop of color. And just, it really is so cozy. I love wearing it all the time. These sleeves are a big part of what's most comfy about this cardigan. They're slouchy and comfy, but the wrist is still fitted enough that if you need to get some things done, you can pull them up to your elbow and they don't lose their shape, so you can still pull them over your hands. I love using this like a robe, throwing it over my pajamas on the mornings that are still a little bit chilly. And it was the perfect addition to my road trip up and down the East Coast where the weather was constantly changing. So if you're looking for the perfect slouchy cardigan, you're going to love this one from QUALFORT for many years to come. And that's my point of view.